Jackie's hauling in a really big one. Good catch, Jack. Got it, Jack. Looks like you hauled in a big one.
Welcome to JackJackPlays. Do you want to dig with us? Come dig with us, kids.
What's going on in here? Is that a backhoe?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that backhoe scooping. Excellent.
I'm scooping it here. No, now I'm gonna drop it. I'm gonna drop it on here.
Whoa, look at that. Oh, look at that gross mixture. Look at that, guys, so muddy. Oh, gross.
Now we need a piece.
Oh, are we making a sandwich?
No! We need no rocks.
You're smoothing it out? Is that a plastic crab in the water?
Yeah.
Molly, what do you think of that? Sunday, what are you doing?
I'm digging up this construction.
Oh, look at that come out of there.
It can stick together. Sticking. This one's not sticking. And the water's dripping down. I know. We need something to stop the water. Yeah, we do. They're sticking. Now I'm going to use this. They're coming to the rescue. They're coming to the rescue.
What are they rescuing, Jack?
They're trying to rescue the water from falling down.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, they're acting as stabilizers. Do you see that, kids?
We need the excavator to scoop out the cement. It was kind of reddish when we put the rock. This mud is stick mud. I'm doing my hand.
What are you doing, Sunday?
I'm putting the stabilizers down so this doesn't roll all over the place.
Well, that's a great idea.
There we go. This one will fall down, so I'm trying to fill up some water. Ready to make it wet. I'm a water excavator.
Whoa, you got some water there.
No, I don't want to dump that out.
All right, roll it along. Oh, no, it fell in the pond.
I think that.
Yeah, dry that guy out. Dry him out.
There's a big excavator coming in.
Oh, it fell on the crab. Debbie, what are you doing with Molly? Is she soft? She's soft. Bring it on out.
It's the dump truck's turn. Ready? Whoa!
You're gonna get it out.
I'm gonna sit.
All right, pull it.
Just a scoop of water. Ooh, I got that. Time to get a shower.
Look at that guy scoop. Did you know that that was an amphibious front loader? I didn't.
How about the dump truck?
Close. There you go. How's that ferry house coming, guys?
Pretty good.
Uh-oh. Tabby likes the slide.
Ready?
Plop. Oh, those poor trucks. Uh-oh. Tabby got it. Tabby got it. I don't know what's going to happen. Yes, I do know what's going to happen. Oh, boy. Wow. What are you doing, Jackie?
Demolitioning the building.
Oh, we're demolitioning it?
Yeah,
Jackie got it, guys. He's demolishing it.
come on, dump truck.
Sunday's rescuing the dump truck. Jackie, are you fishing for trucks? Does this instead of fish, does this pond have trucks in it? Brooder trucks?
You have to get them out before they explode.
They're gonna explode. Got it, Jack. Looks like you hauled in a big one. All right, they're carefully fishing it out.
Yay, I'm getting the excavator.
Kids, do you think you could fish that out with your feet?
I didn't fix anything. It's finished.
Oh, Jackie's hauling in a really big one. Good catch, Jack. Good catch. Oh, it's in again.
I just got out.
Look, could you be like Jack and pull it out with that blue stick, kids? You think you could do it? Oh, is that a crab in there with it? Jack got it out and was able to pour water into the mud, too. Get that crab, Jack?
What's a lot?
Oh, he's pretty hard to get. Sneaky. Oh, you got it!
I'm fishing it.
Oh, you splashed me.
Yeah.
Okay, Sunday. Oh, that was a nice toe maneuver. Pinch it, pinch it, pinch it with your toes.
I'm gonna grab it. Ooh, all the tricks are going just in. I'm scooping one out now. Yeah, I'm trying to get it out.
Teamwork, guys, teamwork.
Stop it.